your camera. Arav, start your camera. And Mr. Mikey, start your camera. So there are infinite number of rays that can be drawn from a given point. So it's true because I can draw like this, like this, like this, and like this. The number of diagonals in a square are 2. There are infinite number of lines that can be drawn through the given point. So this is also true. So Smiley, Guy, Rohan, hope you have understood.
Yes, sir. I see.
Arav, beta, keep on unmute. Mr. Ba, Arav, you can start your camera. Mr. Ba, you have to keep on unmute. That's the rule of the class.
Thought it was an accident. My camera went off.
Don't do too many accidents. Dubai has very strict laws already.
So actually, there's it rained a lot today. So many of my lights aren't working.
So, in my school, what happened was, the way we come from the bus, it flooded. So
Yeah.
we had to, so it was till my knees, and we had to get wet, and we had walked in the bus. It was
It
crazy.
wasn't that intense. It was
For
little
me,
bit.
for my school, it was.
Yeah, it was popcorn rain for most of the ride home, but like not that much hard.
No, but for my school, it was a lot.
Whatever you thought you saw was not heavy rain. You've not seen India then.
For the Dubai, it was.
So what is this?
I will write beta first do the question. So who all said reasoning? Aroda ji and who else? Candy. Who all said which one? Ratio proportions. Hacker and Miss Tia.
Miss Sir, so who were the mistakes?
So the most votes data handling got, but I might use my veto power. So Adya, Ruhan. Adya is not there. Ruhan, what's your answer? Ruhan and Candy. And
Sir, my answer is
Third option.
so the sum of number of vertices and number of sides of a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. So 5 plus 5. If 3 points lie on a straight line, then the total number of lines. Okay, the number of points of intersection of two intersecting lines. So two intersecting lines will intersect at one point. So then we'll do if 3 points lie on a straight line, then number of line segments formed will be 1, 2, and 3. This whole. So all right, guys, UI and Guy.
Yes, sir.
Mr. UI, how did you get this question wrong? Like in which world did you get this question wrong?
Sir, I made a mistake. I understood why I got this wrong.
Why I cannot hear you today? Like you are on mute. So how will I hear you? But I don't
I mistakenly.
I don't do misuse of my powers. You know that.
So I mistakenly wrote that. We've not done reasoning for so long. Meant to be B. So we've not done reasoning for so long.
So beta, only 3 chapters are left in reasoning, and they are not.
Sir, you said we're doing data handling.
I said I'm going to use my veto power.
Sir, how unfair, data handling or the most votes?
Yes,
Sir.
they did get.
Sir, then we should
Beta,
do data handling.
I'm giving you a very, very basics questions.
So we want to do data handling. Yes, sir.
We'll do everything, ratio, proportion also, and data handling also. Just do these 3 questions first. We are doing the basics of ratio proportion. Actually, if you remember, we almost completed the ratio proportions chapter. Remember. We did not do proportion. Goodness, this ratio proportion chapter is so biggy. I hope we remember. Is there anyone who doesn't remember ratios?
No, sir.
Mikey, how many mistakes did you get in the first paper?
I forgot. Sir, seafood onion is disturbing. Sir, I didn't understand what do we have to do in the second one.
Not an equivalent ratio, just like fractions, not an equivalent fraction.
Equivalent ratio to who? Like they're all single.
So you compare them with each other.
Oh.
Sorry, sir, I write very late. Sir, I was studying Hindi and Marathi. Sir, I have a retest upcoming, sir. After, sir. Sorry, sir.
Mr. Geet, Mr. Gauri.
Yes, sir. Mr. Geet won't be joining. She has her SSC exam tomorrow. Because of her ligament, she has to give another retest. And we were also gone. So that's why we were not here in India. So that's why I have to give 2 and she has to give 3 because of her ligament. 1 more she has to give.
All right. So first question, Ruhan Arora. So this is how many hours? 6 days are how many hours? 24 into 6. Don't you know that? So 4 upon 24 into 6 will give me 1 by 36. Arora ji.
Yes.
Which of the following is not an equivalent ratios? You simplify them. 5 by 8.
So that was a
This
very
will be
big
9
sentence.
by 13. And this will be 5 by 8 again. Then next one. Everyone got it correct. That's
So
great.
I don't know what's the equation, what's proportion, like what's the difference between.
Beta ratio is like fraction only. Proportion I'll make you revise.
So third, like how, like the find the
Third one
ratio.
beta I'll explain you.
Yeah.
Height of pole is 50 centimeter and pole B is 510 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So
5. Yeah, okay.
50 upon 510 करना है.
Why?
Because ratio करना है ना pole A to pole B.
So अगर कभी भी रेशियो करना है तो सिंपली
Fraction में लिख देते हैं. Yes.
So what was the ratio of B part?
तो सर इसका आंसर 50 by 100 51 होएगा, right?
5
Or
over
5.
51 होगा ना.
Yeah, sorry, 5 or 51. Bye.
B part this is better 9 by 13. Rest are 5 by 8.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I forgot ratios a bit.
That's why we are revising. But
Sir,
I will
because-
give you only
Sir,
5
never-
points.
We are doing ratio and proportion in So we have
school
not
right
done
now.
ratio and proportion in school right now. We're not doing it.
That's why I'm teaching you.
Thank you, sir. Great help.
So what is antecedent?
Antecedent means जो रेशो में टॉप का नंबर होता है ऊपर वाला.
Okay.
See, this is antecedent जो ऊपर आ रहा है. Consequent मतलब जो नीचे आ रहा है.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Annie is also there.
Yes, sir.
We have so many sweet kids. Are you guys Sifu Nani's friend?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is Warrior also there?
What, sir?
Is Warrior also there?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Sifu Nani also can guard you.
Sir,
Yes.
a ratio in the simplest form is 5 by 7. If its antecedent is 55, then find the consequent. I do not know what is antecedent and consequent.
The antecedent होता है जो टॉप पे आता है. Consequent
Yeah.
नीचे आता है.
So, जो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन में
जैसे
left
इसमें
right.
एंटीसीडेंट ये है कॉन्सिक्वेंट.
Okay, sir, understood. तो वो लेफ्ट पे आएगा antecedent, वो राइट पे आएगा. ऊपर नीचे वो consequent. Sir, how to find the okay?
Ruhan, Gauri, and Smiley.
I don't know the fifth one, so I did to me the fourth and send.
Sir, can you just wait a minute? I'm almost done. Sir, I'm done. Sir, I'll just send you the answer.
So number of circles, everyone
Sir,
got
can
it
you wait a
correct.
minute? Sir, can
Okay,
you wait a
fourth I
minute?
am not marking. The ratio in the simplest
Sir, I've
form is
sent
5
them.
is to 7. So whenever it is 5 is to 7, you can take
Yeah.
them as 5x and 7x. Yaad aaya Smiley and Aroda?
So that's what I did right now.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you explain
No,
again?
sir.
बेटा whenever you are given a ratio, आप उसको 5x और 7x ऐसे ले सकते हो. ये
Yes.
चीज याद आई Smiley?
Yes, sir.
Now 7x, 5x is equal to what? 55.
55.
X is equal to 11. So 7x will be equal to 77. You remember now?
Yes, sir.
So why would x be equal to 11?
55 divided by 5.
Oh, okay. Got it. Yes, sir, I remember.
So let's see how much we remember about proportion.
So what is proportion?
An equality of ratios is called proportion.
So I need to do
I will-
proportion.
We did proportion or not? I think we did.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
But sir, I've done the full exercises already.
Yeah,
So
so
Chalo, I
they're
will
very
explain.
easy.
Chalo, I'll
Thank you.
explain.
Sir, can you just explain ratio bit as well because I forgot. Imagine.
And guys, 1 second.
The ratio we have done in school. Yes, sir. Sir, I already know how to find if the numbers are in proportion.
Okay. So first of all, did we do those questions? Divide this in the ratio. So we will revise those questions first. Divide a number in a particular ratio. We have forgotten everything. So let's revise that first.
That is the Selena book.
No. You want to buy the Selena book?
Yes, sir.
Those kids who are in ICSE must buy the Selena book. Because the paper pattern is changing and they are mixing up questions.
Oh.
So seventh one. Try it, guys. Seventh question. This part we had already done.
No, we did not.
We have. How many of you remember?
Sir, we have.
We have, but we don't remember.
Oh, we remember. I just tried trial and error method.
No, don't do like that.
Sir, I don't know how this to do.
So I will explain if we have totally forgotten. Let me explain from the beginning. Suppose I give you divide rupees 154 in the ratio 5:6. So first we do is we find what? Total parts. So how many total parts are there?
There's 11. 11.
11. They are 11.
So how?
5 plus 6 is 11.
Okay, okay. So why do you do like this?
This is the method, beta. Let me explain. And this is a repeat telecast.
Okay, sir.
This concept. So we got 5 into 5 plus 6, 11. Now what is the fraction of the first part? Yaad aaya, guys?
The 5 by 11.
5 by 11. What
And then
will
the
be the
second
value?
one. Second one would be 6 by 11.
5 by 11 into 154.
Okay.
So
And then
how?
Which is equal to, beta, this is the value. See, fraction itna आया. Fraction किसका निकालना है? Fraction of 154. तो fraction of 154 कितना होगा? 5 by 11 times this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर हम डायरेक्टली ये नहीं लिख सकते 11x is equal to 154.
I will explain that method also. Now fraction of second part कितना है? Tell me, guys.
So 6 by 11.
6 upon 11. So what will be the value of second part? 6 upon 11 into 154. 84. So
पार्ट की वैल्यू -3 में निकाल सकते हैं.
yes, we could have subtracted also. Now I explained you one more method when we did this.
so can you wait?
Ratio can always be taken as 5x. First, let me explain one more time.
So sir, end में आप इसको लिखोगे 70 and 84.
Correct.
Right?
So my total ratio parts are 11. Any confusion in this?
No, sir.
Fraction value, total ratio parts, fraction value. These are the three steps. Total ratio parts, fraction value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I did not understand.
Beta, see, total ratio parts 5 plus 6, 11 ho gaye.
Yeah.
Fraction is 5 upon 11.
Yes, sir.
Value is 5 upon 11 into 154.
Yeah.
तो बस ये वैल्यू 70 आ गई. मतलब डिवीजन कैसा हो गया? 70:84. This is
Yeah.
And you can subtract as well, right?
yes, I can subtract.
So this method is the easiest.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now that time I explained one more method to you, so I'm just giving you a brief. So this is in the ratio of 5:6. So I can write it as 5x and 6x. Can I write it as like that?
Yes, sir, you can.
So 5x plus 6x is equal to 154.
Yes, sir.
So 11x is equal to 154.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 154 upon 11, which is equal to 14.
So this is easier.
Is x is equal to 14, then 5x is equal to 5 into 14, that is 70. And 6x is equal to 6 into 14, that is 84.
Sir, so we will simplify 70 and 84.
Why will you simplify, beta? आप simplify करोगे तो वही आ जाएगा ना, 5:6 ही आ
Can you
जाएगा.
wait a minute, sir? Can I note down
This
this?
is the division. This is the division of 154 in the ratio 5:6. Suppose, beta, you have a sibling and your mom says that these are 1,600 rupees. We have to divide between you and your sibling because you are elder. You will get 10 parts. Your sibling is younger to you. He will get 6 parts. So how much will you get? So then once you got the amount, you will not divide it further.
Yes.
Sir, this is also very easy. Sir, can you wait a minute, sir? I'm just noting down both.
Yeah. So because we are doing a repeat telecast, so I have explained you both the methods in one go. So I hope we remember हमने किया था ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I've written. You can move ahead.
P parts याद रखो. Total ratio parts, fraction value.
Okay, sir.
तो guys, second method तो आप कभी भी कर लोगे. अभी आप क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट मेथड से कर लो.
So which method do you like is better?
I to like everything. It's up to you. Do
Which
the
method is better?
both methods are good. There will be questions जहाँ first method use नहीं होगा.
Okay. So then why are we doing it with first method?
Because your school will teach you by the first method.
So हमारे school में अभी तक हुआ ही नहीं. So if my school will generally make another method way longer and way like tougher to remember. So that's what they do.
Quickly, kids, quickly do it.
So what do the arrows mean?
Arrow means probably they gave one answer instead of two. So Mr. Gory, oh my Gory, and Smiley.
So can I speak my answer?
No, no, beta, don't speak, please.
So just 1 minute.
So after Smiley gives the answer, can I speak?
Ruhan Arora ji.
So can I give my answer? Can I speak?
Are you doing the homework, Ruhan Arora? Whatever I have posted the chapters, are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
So can I speak in the end because I don't know how to send the both.
Sir, I have also sent.
So can I speak?
Yes.
So 90 and like dot 72 and then the second one is 15 dot 12.
बेटा 90 and 72 हो गया तो 15 dot dot 12 कहाँ से आ गया?
Sir, another sir because if we
So
simplify.
let me explain. Total ratio parts are how many?
So total ratio parts are
So 5 plus 4, 9.
9, sir.
So
And
what
then
is the fraction of first number?
fraction of first number is 5.
162.
5 by 9.
Yes,
What is the value of first number?
5 by 9
Times 162. That is equal to 18,
yeah.
which will give you 90.
90.
If one number is 90, second will be 162 minus 90.
Okay, so
So if your school tells you to show the second step, then you cannot subtract. I think they will allow this. So बस यही आंसर होगा 90 और 72. रूहान क्या प्रॉब्लम था इसमें?
sir, won't we simplify it?
बेटा why will we simplify this? Simplify करेंगे तो दोबारा 5:4 आ जाएगा.
Okay.
Sir, I mixed up the methods.
So
Do
can
this.
we use So can we use the second method? It seems easier.
Yes, you can use the second method.
So which book is this?
This is a maths book. Ruhan, don't turn off your camera. This is a maths book.
In which maths book?
5, 1, 12, 15, 14, my younger years. The ratio is 3.
Chatty camera on, please. Chatty Matty.
Sir, it accidentally got turned off.
Why you are on a bed?
Sir, because my study room is very messy right now.
Mr. Ba, you can speak something better.
Sir, what should I speak?
So how are you feeling?
Sir, better.
And how many days will you be on bed rest?
The total 7 from now 4.
Are you enjoying?
Sir, not at all. Sir, all I do is watch TV and play iPad and read a book.
And why not some, maths practice from Olympiad books?
That also I do prep guide.
The Smiley, Ruhan, Candy, and Gauri.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Gauri, so that you don't miss Geet, ma'am, has written her name also today.
Oh.
Though she is absent.
That's good. Ma'am, I've sent my answer.
Ruhan, Candy, Smiley.
Thank you.
So just 1 second.
So others can do the 9th question.
Oh. Why am I?
So we have to do example 9.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So in the 9th example, we will do the same as we did in when we had to.
Yes, beta, it's exactly the same. Arora ji, kya problem hai beta?
Sir, when I'm dividing, so when I take the, so I was using the second method, and when I got 9x equal to 1250.
बेटा how 9x, ये तो 3 and 2 ही है ना, तो 9x कहाँ से हो गया?
Oh my god, I mean 5x.
So you have to divide by 5 then.
What would I do?
Sir, after I get after I divide it and get one answer, what do I do?
You get the value of x.
Yes.
Then this is 3x and this is 2x. Then you
Yes, sir.
multiply by 3 and multiply by 2.
Okay, sir. So what is unitary method?
I will teach you, don't you worry. And I have been teaching you since last 2-3 grades. So don't you worry about it.
Oh, have you taught this before? So it's basically multiplication and division. So should I send it to you or Miss?
Of course to ma'am.
Okay.
So
Sir?
Diya, oh Diya.
Sir, you have taught us unitary method.
Yes बेटा, but इस बार थोड़ा सा level up हो जाएगा आपके लिए. All right, Ruhan Arora. So Diya, I'm moving on since you are not responding.
So
Try
Diya-
this question, 11th one.
So Diya's traveling.
Yes, so that's why she's allowed to keep her camera and mic off because she's driving. Do the example.
Have a
Level.
break.
No, beta, no.
From this.
We are grown up now. We don't need any break in our lives.
We need.
So I will give you a 47 hours break
No, sir.
after 20
Class
minutes.
is going on. Yay. So days. No.
47 hours. Mikey, which batch, which studying in which batch do you enjoy more? This one or the other one?
I don't know.
You tell me. No one will mind in this batch, right?
Definitely the other one.
Tell me, Mikey.
I don't know.
No, you have to tell.
Will Daniel join in this batch?
Yes, he will join in this batch.
With the same name. तो बट इस बैच में आप ब्रेक नहीं देंगे तो Sir, are you shifting them?
Yeah?
Are you shifting them?
No, beta. Mikey was in the other batch.
Oh. Like you are not given break in this batch or the other one?
Sometimes I give in this batch also.
You never give. But you have every time in the other. So
Other batch, beta, everyone.
they force you. Sir, that's so unfair.
No, I've sent my answer. Sir, can you today give a break?
Wait.
Yes, sir. Please give us a break. We are
See,
tired.
beta, only I got 4 answers. What is this? And we have to improve our capacity. We are in grade 6 now. We have to
Sir,
solve 50 questions in 1 hour.
if we get 6 replies, then it's fine. Like 6
So you have to
correct
solve
ones.
50 questions in 1 hour, Gauri.
Okay,
We
sir.
have to develop the capacity and the stamina.
Yes, sir. So, how do you mean stamina? Stamina
of
is
writing or
Stamina to
of
solve
brain?
50 questions in 1 hour.
okay. Yeah.
Sir,
This is speed.
And chatty,
Sir,
don't
I
play
think
with
you
your
mean
hair.
speed.
Sir, my answer will probably be wrong.
Sir, if you give a break, our
Chatty,
mind
why
will
you are
rest
not
and we'll
sitting on
work
a table
faster.
and chair?
So we got 6 replies.
Sir,
See,
because
1, 2,
my
3,
study
4,
room
5,
is
6,
less.
and 7.
So Aroda ji, UI, guy, smiley, guys, answer kar do.
You are
Wait,
the
I
one.
forgot to
Oh,
put the point. I didn't put the point.
So guy, UI, Mr. Guy, smiley, Ruhan, Aroda.
Yeah.
There you go. Smiley, have you got the answer yet?
Sure.
Miss Smiley,
No, sir.
beta, why should I explain?
Yes, sir.
This can be termed as 5x and 3x. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now you are given the weight of copper, means you are given the weight of 5x. So 5x is equal to 30.5. अब हो जाएगा अरोड़ा, Rohan and Smiley, हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
So x will be equal to 30.5 divided by 5, that is 6.1.
Sir, can you explain?
See beta, I took 5x and 3x. This you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now 5x value you are already given because copper is 5x. So 5x is 30.5. So x will be equal to 30.5 divided by 5. That is 6.1. So 3x will be equal to 3 times 6.1, which is equal to 18.3. Understood, Ruhan,
Yes.
Smiley and Dia?
Yes, sir.
Dia beta, please give me a verbal confirmation. I know you are driving.
Sir, so the answer is 18.3 grams.
Correct. Understood, Smiley?
Yes, sir.
So beta, practice this exercise from your school book also.
Yes, sir.
Let me know by the next class if you have any doubts.
Okay, sir.
Now we are doing proportion, and equality of ratios is called proportion. If A is to B means A is to B, proportion का sign होता है 4 dots, is equal to C is to D. Then what will happen? These two are called extremes, and these two are called means, first of all.
So you taught us this.
I taught you this. So A by B
Yes,
is
sir, I
equal to C
remember.
by D, then A is to B, A, B, C, D are in proportion. अगर A by B का ratio C by D के equal हो, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. Then we can cross multiply. I will get AD equal to BC. This gives me another formula. If my product of extremes is equal to product of means, then my numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. Understood? Not understood, guys?
There'll be proportion is with 3 numbers.
Beta, 3 numbers के साथ there are different terms which I will teach you, but not now.
So in grade 7.
No, abhi इसी साल I will teach you. Just a definition. R4, 36, 16, 9 in proportion. So try
Sorry,
it,
sir.
guys.
Sorry, sir, I can speak now.
I understand, beta, you were driving, so you couldn't speak that time. Already, guys. All right, guys, do this question.
So done.
So just send yes or no in the chat.
I still didn't understand proportion.
I will explain once again.
Yes, sir.
Those who have understood, please send the answer. If not understood, I'll explain. Again, this is a recap.
So this is a recap.
Yes, beta. I think आपने miss कर दी होंगी classes. Maybe it's that.
Yeah, I missed. I remember.
So see, 4 by 36 is what? 1 by 9. And 16 by 9 is what? 16 by 9. So are these equal? Yes or no, Gauri?
Yes, sir.
They are equal. 1 by 9
No,
is...
sorry. So
So they are not equal. Therefore, numbers 4, 36, 16, 9 are not in proportion.
Sir, if we have an uneven number of digits, like if we have 5 digits, then what will we do?
5 नहीं होंगे बेटा proportion.
Okay, it'll be even
So,
only.
yeah, so let me tell you one more thing. There is one more method. Product of means is not equal to product of extremes. 4 into 9 is not equal to 36 into 16. So you can use method 1 or method 2 to check whether they are in proportion or not.
Sir,
Okay.
both methods work every time?
Yes, both methods work every time. But sometimes multiplication is, difficult. So that time you can use method 1.
Okay, sorry.
Sir, I chose method 2 because it was obvious 13 into 16 is way more than 4 into 9.
बट बेटा आप स्कूल में मेथड 2 चूज करोगे तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई भी करना पड़ेगा ना.
No, like this is tough.
With
Not good
century,
only.
it is super easy.
Yes, basically बच्चा क्वेश्चन. बच्चा क्वेश्चन.
Yes, so that's why I was laughing. Oh my god.
But how is this such a bacha question? It's so difficult.
Bro, come on.
I just guessed.
Multiplication.
You know, division would be much easier in
Ma'am,
this.
I said my answer. Okay, yeah, that.
All right. So next question.
Sir, aren't you explaining this one?
Only if you'd gotten it wrong, would sir have explained.
Sir, can you explain this one?
No, Scooter, I can't.
So why? Even more tough.
Sir, should we say two answers for this?
Yes, 2 answers.
So basically both are yes, no?
Yes.
And please check my answer.
Sir, you'll have to explain this question.
Yes. So are these ratios equal? Let's check. So
Yes,
25 upon 40 and 15 upon 24. So this is 5 by 8 and this is
And this
5
is 5
by
by
8.
If we
So
do by
yes,
3 and
if
4.
they are equal, and if they are equal, then they form a proportion also, because in equality of ratios, by definition, the equality of ratios is called proportion. So Smiley, Ruhan, Guy, Hacker.
Sir, I did a very silly mistake.
So Hacker understood,
Yes, sir.
Guy understood, Mr. Guy.
I said yes, sir.
Arora ji,
So what is P?
you have
You
to
have
find
to
it.
really find that.
Oh, I know this. It's easy.
So what is E?
So after doing the first one, you can send the answer for the next one.
So together.
No, one by one.
The second one's tough. Very, very tough. Mhm.
No, it's not.
So done both of them. Finished.
Please check my answer. Wait, wait. Great. Third.
So column. Column. So you by mistakenly wrote column instead of column.
Have I finished?
So we've done this question.
Yes, we'll do it one more time.
Sir, I don't
What was the
understand this
answer?
question. I haven't understood this question.
Better than you wait and try one more time and wait.
Sir, in school I was sitting for 1 hour thinking about this question.
Okay, okay. So let's see. Candy and Gauri
Can I speak my answer?
first. No, Beta Candy is also left. Candy, what's the first answer?
Sir, I'm getting the wrong answer.
So beta see, product of means is equal to product of extremes. So
Yes.
product of means is equal to product of extremes.
So can I tell the answer?
Yes.
So like sir,
So
for
what
the
is
first,
mean 21 into P? And what is extreme 6 into
so
7?
6 into 7, so
So P is
21 into
equal
P
to
will be
42. This is upon 21, which is equal to 2.
yes sir.
Got it, Candy?
So
Yes.
sir
Now,
will be
whenever you have to
0, 7.
rearrange, can I tell you a trick?
So can I tell the answer?
Smiley, keep your camera on
So it would be
and mic
12 and
on.
21
Smiley.
and 16 and 28.
So can I tell you a trick, guys?
Yes sir.
So if the numbers are in proportion, it will be either in ascending order or in descending order.
Sir, I just checked which two numbers are divisible,
तो
like
या तो
16 and
ये
28
ऐसे
are
होंगे
born in 12
proportion में 12 upon 16 is equal to 21 upon 28, या फिर होंगे 28 21. This is a trick, don't tell anyone else. 16 12. Understood? करके देख लो आप. It will be 3 by 4 3 by 4. Don't tell this trick to anyone else. Okay?
I did not get the trick. Can you tell me again?
Beta, if the numbers are in proportion, it will be either in ascending or descending order. Don't tell this trick to anyone else. I just made this trick today.
Mhm.
Sir, does it work 100% of time?
100% it will work for 4 numbers. Yes.
Oh, sir. Sir, you are
So
a
there is
genius.
absolutely no exception.
No. अगर ये एक्सेप्शन हो सकता है कि वो नंबर्स प्रोपोर्शन में हो ही नहीं, बट अगर होंगे तो ये हमेशा होगा. चलो डू दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस.
But the answer I said is not in ascending
ratios
or
of
descending
volume.
order.
This is the last question of the day.
So the correct
Ma'am,
answer
please give star for this question.
so this is
Sir, I
very,
already
very
finished
difficult
this
question
question. You said this was the last question. Can we leave?
No, we are a team. Let's show some teamwork.
Well, that's why I
Work
said can we
together.
leave. So that's why I said can we leave.
No.
Okay then.
Beta, Smiley, try to make the linear equation. Don't sit idle. मैं help करता हूँ. Ratio in the volume A to the ratio. So the ratio is 3x. Ratio terms are 3x and 4x. So he drank 40 milliliter from bottle A. Means उसने first bottle 3x वाली से किया. So bottle A is 3x. And bottle B is
4x.
x. So he drank 40 ml from bottle A. The ratio becomes 13/20. Try it. Linear equation से करने की कोशिश करो. You will be able to do it. Mikey, what happened, beta? We have solved such more difficult questions than this. This is a bacha question.
Agreed, sir. Agreed. Sir, I don't think this should have been a star question. Everyone's getting it right.
Yes, sir. So most of us probably remember the answer.
No.
Sir, I'm doing proportions right now in school, and I am quite good at it.
Are you killing it?
I guess, yeah.
Do you remember the previous lectures that I gave on ratio proportion?
Absolutely not.
How do you study if you
Well, the
cannot do it?
ratio ones, yes. The proportion one, no.
You mean to say you're killing the teacher?
See, no.
You see, guys, after Chatty drank from bottle A, so how much is left with Chatty? Tell me, Chatty, please tell me.
Sir, bottle, sir,
260 ml.
No, 3x minus 40. This is Chatty actually, this is not Rahul.
Sir, I did 30. Sir, I did 30.
Any
plus
confusion
12.
is this that after Chatty has drunk 40 milliliter from bottle A,
Oh,
she is left with 3x minus 40. Any confusion in this?
So why are you doing
But
3x?
bottle
Sir,
B,
why aren't you
because
doing
hacker
33
doesn't
times
speak,
40?
so bottle B, she doesn't want to drink that much. So bottle B is with hacker, bottle A is with Chatty. So she doesn't drink at all because she doesn't speak anything. So she never gets thirsty. So now because Chatty speaks a lot, so she drank from her bottle. Now the ratio becomes 13:20.
Yes, sir.
Now for solving such linear equations, I told you that
33 is equal to 40.
cross multiply. Nahi beta. We cross multiply.
Okay.
So 20 into 3x minus 40 is equal to 13 into 4x. So then this 20 will be multiplied with everything. 20 into 3x is 60x. 20 into 40 is 800 is equal to 52x.
So can't we first simplify and then do this?
How can you simplify? No, beta, you cannot simplify. Kisko 4 or 40 ko?
And x's.
No, beta, we cannot. You got lucky to get the correct answer.
Sir,
It's
again simplify.
ये
I
बेटा
didn't.
आंसर तुक्के में आ गया, फ्लूक. ये
No, sir.
बिल्कुल wrong. Listen to me. This is a wrong mathematical operation. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I did not simplify. I thought I'd ask you first because I've
So
done.
then 52x will come here. It will become 60x minus 52x. 800 minus 800 will go to the right side. It will become plus 800. Then 8x equal to 800. X equal to 100.
100.
So if x is 100, which so in Chatty's bottle she had 3x. So 3 into 100, which is equal to 300.
So it's too complicated.
Sir, can you please scroll down and do screenshot?
Yes.
So it's too complicated.
Yes, beta, this is how it will be done. And
So
can you
that
tell me
is-
how much water was there in Hacker's bottle?
Sir, Hacker's bottle, it was, sir, it was 3 by 4 times.
400,
Sir,
beta,
7.
400. Seethe, it's 4x. So it will be 400. Don't play games with me.
Sir, why won't we do 3 times 4?
बेटा because उसको हमने listen to me ना, वो तो 3 times वो तो 4x ही था. 4 into 100. X की वैल्यू आ गई तो डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो.
Okay, sir. Understood.
All right, guys, that's all for today. You guys made me do overtime. Bye bye.
Thank
So
you.
you don't give breaks and do
Thanks, sir.
overtime. That is very
Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.
We'll start the next
Bye,
class
bye,
6
sir.
minutes later.